Okay. Okay. Good morning, all of you. So, welcome back to DevOps plus AWS. Hello. Okay. Okay. So, welcome back to AWS plus DevOps sessions. Pavan, little echoes. Guys, is it? No. Is it okay now? Hello. Okay. Let me share my screen and change chart everyone. Okay. So, can anyone please confirm from online? Am I audible now? Okay. Thank you, Hanumanta. So, hi Lavanya, hi Shaikh. It's very difficult to, few names are there. Machana. Okay, sorry, Divyasri, Ashwini, Nanda Kishore, Bharadwaj. Okay, hi to everyone, Shivani. Okay, yeah, Naeem, hi. So, yeah, hi. Sumit, hi. So, I hope you guys are done yesterday tasks, right? No challenges, right? Okay, let me share my screen. So, we done yesterday. Let me change whatever. Okay. Okay, so okay. One more time. Okay, sure. Okay, guys. So custom network. So guys, the bash host is nothing but, so for example, we have a VPC and we have a two subnets. Okay. And we have a two instances inside. One is public and one is private. Okay. So, okay. In this scenario, for example, as a developer, if you want to host an application, if you want to do any changes inside your application, for example, here already Flipkart application is running. Okay. The bash and host is nothing but okay. So if you are hosting any application, for example, developer. Okay, guys. So understand here. So we can connect our public EC2. We can connect our public EC2. But public EC2 will work through internet, right? No problem. But coming to the private EC2, there is no any internet connection, first of all. So how I can communicate here? So I have internet, but here there is no internet to go my request to directly private. So, and that too here only private IP is only there, not public IP. So private IP is used to communicate internal connection, as we know, right? So yes, internal connection, it will support to communicate if you are in same VPC. But if you are outside of the VPCs, link is not available now. Sharma, are you facing any issue? Can anyone please share the today's link? Guys, please join before 10 minutes We are keep on saying same thing, right? If you are joined before, na, if you are facing any struggle, we can help you at the time. Okay, so my developer can communicate directly public EC2 by using public internet. But coming to the private instance, there is no public IP, only private IP. So we should not, it's not possible to connect here like this way. The reason is private IP will communicate internal connections. Okay. Internal connections means first our request has to go internal. So that I'm using public to go my request internal first. Then private IP will support if you are an inside of the network, we can communicate. So I'm using public IP to go inside of the network. Then from here to here, we can communicate by using SSH client. Sir, can we run same SSH client in our EC2, in our laptop? You can try it. It will not allow. The reason is this SSH client command is there in the private IP. But you are trying with the public internet. It is not possible, right? That's what here. So the process, this is the very high level information. The process, how to communicate. Let's come here first. Where is my console? Let me check my console first. Okay. Okay. So let me log in my two missions so that I will explain one more time. Guys, please join in time, guys. To repeat the content, I don't have any issue. But this course is 3 months. It is going to extend to 4.5 months. Anyway, I haven't discussed any new topic anyway, only old topic. So my two missions are running. One is public and private. Okay. So my intention is to connect private EC2. In the bash and host process, if I try directly private EC2, let's try now. Why we need to wait here? So I'm taking private IP, okay? So we have a key right already. I'm using same key for both instances. You can use different keys or same key, but what key you have assigned, same key you have to give from here. That's it. Come to downloads. Okay, this is my key. See, even you request, if you are, see here, login as, means your request is reached to AWS network, right? But you are unable to see login as, your request is not hitting to AWS environment, right? The reason is you are using private IP. Private IP will not expect any internet connection, but you are trying, right? Connection timeout. Is it clear? So that's why we are using public IP to go first my request to AWS environment. If you are in the AWS environment in the network, we can try to communicate private instance. Both are in same network. Is it clear now? That is called bash host. Okay. Let's close all sessions here. So I'm going to delete few sessions. Okay. Now let me connect one more time. I will show you how to connect bash host here. So two instances are running. So private instance are directly trying to connect, but I'm unable to, right? So that's what I'm using public IP, public instance to reach my request from Hyderabad to my AWS EC2, Mumbai. Reason, it will work internet and my end also will work internet. Both are internet as there. So I can go my request. So let's connect now my public IP here. Okay. And my PEM file. So if you can see my PEM file here, same PEM file I'm there in my AWS EC2 instance also, right or not? So both are same means we are able to connect. So Many people are doing mistake, guys. If you are trying Ubuntu, just please try Ubuntu. Okay. Don't try EC to Ubuntu. This is wrong. If it is Ubuntu, just give Ubuntu. Okay. Okay. I have connected, right? I have connected. Now my request is enter into my AWS environment, right? I'm in AWS EC2 means I'm in public EC2. You have already reached to your AWS environment. Now from here to private IP will communicate if you are in the same network, right? Now I'm in the same network. I'm not outside of the AWS environment. So definitely my private IP will help to give the communication. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, let's go and connect. So I'm trying to connect. My target is here private EC2, right? So there is no public IP. I need to ping private IP. So we have a SSH client command already. You can run this command directly to communicate. So before that, if you are facing any error, access denied, so you need to run this command before. If you are getting any access denied error, this is coming to the permission key permission process for your EC2 user. Almost you, I think will not get any issue. If you are face any issue, run this command before. Even though if you run this command before also no problem. There is no any harm for us, right? So they are saying the SSH client process first open an SSH client. So meaning I have opened some SSH client here and upload your key. Which key it is? Your target private key. But in this case, my source and target both are same keys, right? That's what I'm uploading same key. If you are creating second private EC2 instance, different key, the different public key already there in your second EC2, private key you have already downloaded, right? You have uploaded that file. But in this case, I use the same key for public and private instances. That's what I'm going to upload the same key again. The intention of this key uploading is we are saying to this server, hey server, you are going to communicate your target server, right? The target server public IP already there in EC2. Okay. The regarding communication, the regarding private key is with me. I'm giving to you. You can now communicate. The respect to target key is there in the second EC2 instance. Which instance you are going to communicate? This is the private key. Public is there. So as we know, public, private, both will match means we can communicate, right? So that's what. Is it clear now? Okay, I have uploaded the key. What is the next step they are saying? Follow these steps. No need to remember. Run this command if necessary. Anyway, run this command, no problem. This is permission regarding command only. Nothing harm to run this command. What is the next command? This is the command, actual command, how to ping SSH-hi your key name and EC2 user at the rate of private IP. If it is a public IP, here public IP will come. Clear? Yeah. Connected, right? Clear? Clear, everyone? Okay, I'm in the second EC2. Now you can start your development work. Clear? So it is safe to everyone. So you can only use, developer only can use this one. So I can run any commands now here. I can run, see, we know the few commands in the Linux anyway. We are going to take care, touch command, for example. So developer created file one, ls, file one is there. Otherwise, if you have a script, existing script, no, I'm going to host the script, right? So let's go. I'm just copying some script here. I'm not going to run anything, just for your understanding only. Copy. So vi, we are using vi editor to save some many files like, tester.py. So paste, escape, wqs mathematics, ls, test.py is there, right? Now I can host any application. But if I want to install now, so till here requirement we clearly understand, right? Yes, I have hosted some files, some scripts, but I need, if you can see here. So to run this script here, Boto 3 is required. And that already have installed. But if the same scenario will come in the private EC2, how you are going to install? For example, guys, let me show you something. I'll just remove this required library. I'm trying to run this script now. You will get an error. No, this extend. No, you should not. Control S. Let me, this is Lambda function. Okay. Okay. Let me try this one. Control S. Anyway, see, Boto3 is not there, right? That's what you are unable to run this script. So what I'm going to do, okay, I will install Boto3. How to install? Guys, don't focus how we need to install here. This is not for your understanding. Your understanding is without dependencies, how we can overcome that. So here, there is no dependencies. What is the dependency? Boto3. If I go here, okay, settings. So I can install directly Boto3 here. These are the existing things. Install package. So without internet, it will install? No, it is installing. I'm using internet here. Now install. Now you can run. So add import Boto3 here. See, error gone. Now if you run, yes, it will create some EC2 instance somewhere. Clear? Okay. So the required dependencies you have installed in your local laptop. But this application may running in the server has to install, right? At that time. So if you can come here, let me, there is a command m install Boto3. I will try it. Okay, sudo m install Boto3. It is not working. Command is right, but still searching. 0 bytes. The reason, there is no internet. Is it clear? C. Control C. What is error? Failed to download metadata. So here there is no internet for this to do that. Now, how to provide internet? So now we can learn the NAT gateway. Don't directly jump to NAT gateway, right? The requirement now comes. Yes, I need internet to install something. Now we can configure the NAT gateway. Is it clear now? NAT gateway is not a default action for private instance. To communicate, yes, you have communicated, you have hosted some dependencies, but manually. Internet is not required, right? But no, I need something, some additional libraries while performing the something. Then server itself need to download the things. At the time, you need to provide NAT gateway. Is it clear, everyone now? Yeah. Where is it? What we are doing now? No, I am not doing anything. Just don't confuse here, guys. My intention is here. I have communicated private EC2. That's it only. You don't focus on here, here, and what I'm trying to say here. Here, if import Boto3 is missing in my local laptop, I can install from somewhere. In this case, some dependency is required to run this script, right? That's what I'm trying to say. For example, guys, if you're installing some gaming application to your mobile, you need to install some zip format application. Inside, multiple plugins are there. For example, if you can go inside, if you delete some required dependencies, the game will not play. Right or not? Same thing, to run this script, some dependency is there. What is this dependency? It is not your cup of tea. So this is the process. If I run any script in my local laptop, if required dependencies are there, I need to install directly from here by using internet. If the same script I need to run in my private EC2. So here you are able to install import Boto3 if required. But the same script need to run in my EC2 instance. Same there also I need to install import boto3. Clear or not? This is my laptop, boss. That is also laptop EC2 instance also. Don't confuse, huh? I need to install, right? Here internet is there. I'm able to install. But here, yes, I have tried to install the same process. This command is not, don't focus here. Install process boto3. That's it only. In the Linux, will get what these commands are. So I'm trying to install boto3 here to run this script. Okay, both these dependencies are there, right? If it is not there means it will fail the script like here. Earlier we seen the fail, right? Let me delete again. Save it. See, boto3 underline there is error. If I run, you will get an error. There is no boto3. The same script if I need to run in my EC2 instance, I need to install import boto3, right? Right or not? So at that time, okay, I'm going to install same script. ls script is there. But import boto3 is not there. The libraries. I have installed my local laptop. Here also I need to install, right? So I'm trying to install the by using some other command, some any command. Don't focus the command now. See, I'm unable to install. Why? There is no internet for my private EC2. Is it clear now? Control C. There is no internet. So if some requirement will come to your private instance to install anything, we need internet. At that time, all internet required for private EC2. Not always. Not always. Is it clear? So bastion host process to communicate bastion host process NAT gateway is required? Not required. But if you install anything in your private EC2 instance, NAT gateway is required to provide internet. Is it clear everyone now? Online team, any confusions here? No? Hmm. Hmm. Which communication? Not required. Hmm. Internet is required for that instance. Only NAT gateway will come. Otherwise, NAT gateway. So we already proved right here. We already communicated right. Yeah. Okay. Now the process is NAT gateway process. Tell me guys the steps now. Okay. So quickly draw the architecture again. So public subnet, private subnet. So public EC2, private EC2. And now internet gateway. Now route table. Now here to here communication. And now we need what? NAT gateway. And one more route table. And communication here to here and here to here. Clear guys? Side by side only. Okay. So now, okay. Here is the developer, right? This guy is able to communicate. This guy is able to communicate your private EC2. If you can see the process, how it will be. See, first the request will go to internet gateway and he is entered to public route table into public subnet to public EC2. From here to private EC2 connection by using SSH client. Is it clear? Yes, I have entered into my private EC2. Now I need internet, right? Now I need internet. So I have already tried, but no, not possible, right? So what I need to do now, I need for this instance some configurations. So we need to place NAT gateway. Okay, what is the steps, guys? Create private internet provide to private EC2. Tell me guys, what are the steps now? One by one. Online team. Yeah, just an example, not related to us. Don't confuse, huh? Hey, don't confuse, yeah. That is not related to us. Just understand internet concept only. If I show something, na, I definitely I will take some example, right? Don't confuse with the example. If I'm taking some example as a hero, sir, where is hero? How can I show now? Is it clear what I'm trying to say? Here, understanding, see, guys, you need to be proactive here. I'm saying an example of internet with internet, without internet. You need to understand with your minds, with internet, without internet. What inside it is there, it is not your job. I'm saying many times, right? Why you are confusing again and again? Don't think much. If you think much, definitely main content you lose. See, here we need to understand internet coming or not. That's it only, right? Did I say any before Python code? Definitely I will explain this content in the after 2 months. But our focus is we are in internet process now. We don't have even internet. Then we can think what I need to install. Clear? Yeah. Okay. Tell me guys steps. Don't think much for boat to three. Leave it. We don't have any boats, cars, flights. Okay. Leave it for that. Internet. I'm talking about internet. That's it. Example I'm showing here. To run this script, I need some boat. That is important boat to three. Yes, I can install boat to three. I have internet. But the same requirement will come into your private EC2 instance. How you are going to install without internet? This is the concept we need to understand. Sir, what is Boto3? What is response equal to client.run? This is not your job now. Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. Tell me guys now, what are the steps? If something is there, definitely I will take from the zeros first again. I'm not showing directly boats and cars and lorries. Okay. Anyway, tell me guys, what is the first step here? Create NAT gateway. Next step. So I have created NAT gateway. Where should I attach? Public subnet. Create NAT gateway and public subnet. Okay. This is the process, first process. Same thing, create internet gateway attached to VPC. Same process here also. There is no difference. Next, create route table. Is it public or private? Private. If it is a public means again it is a public internet, right? I have created route table. Next, guys, next, routing from NAT to private RT. See here, simple. One. This is step one. You can route one. This is route two, right? If you have any confusions, you can just update here. First route means NAT to route table. Second route means NAT to private subnet. Routing private RT to private subnet. Clear all the steps now? Okay. Yeah, very good. Shruti and Muhammad, Shravan. Yeah. So try to give answers, guys. Online team. It will, you can, it is revised for you. Okay. Okay, let's start now. So for this task only, I'm going to share the steps. but don't expect for next okay, whatever labs will come in labs. Okay, this only for bastion host public private process. I'm going to give you very brief steps process, but don't depends on the steps process. Understand the concepts. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm here, right? I'm in the my private EC2, right? So let's go and start the process now. Tell me guys, what is the first step in the in our points? Create NAT gateway. Where should I check? In VPC. Okay, NAT gateway. Create NAT gateway, right? So NAT, custom NAT. See, I need to attach subnet, right? NAT gateway need to attach subnet, right? Internet gateway attached to VPC, right? So NAT gateway attached to which subnet, guys? Public subnet. So NAT gateway, the backend works on elastic IP, guys. Okay, NAT gateway will work. The backend is elastic IP. It's not depends on the dynamic IP. For that, just allocate only. That's it. Okay. Create NAT gateway. So first step got done. Created NAT gateway and attached to subnet. Next, what I need to do? Create a route table. The already route table is there, right? But this is public route table. If you use this public route table already feed to internet. So it may. So I'm going to create a private route table. Give here. Naming is very important. May you confuse otherwise. Private route table. Okay. So you said you just give the VPC. Next, what I need to NAT gateway is attached to subnet. Route table is created. Next is what? Route from NAT gateway to private route table. Where should I check? Edit routes, right? Same internet gateway process like edit route step. Add route, all zeros. Here, see, select NAT gateway this time, not internet gateway. If you select internet gateway, again, same process. Clear? Save changes. See, don't confuse, guys. See this diagram. One done, right? Next two. First route table created and attached to subnet. Next route table is created. Next path is provided one NAT gateway to route table by using edit routes. And next is what? Here to here, RT to subnet. So for that subnet association, right? Same. Go there. Subnet association, right? Edit subnet association. Now I'm able to see two, right? Why? Two subnets are there in the same VPC, right? But what I need to select here? Private subnet. Save association. Clear, guys? All good now? Let's go now. See, 24 MB, right? Earlier is 0, not 24 MB. So internet is coming, right? Unable to find match both to 3. Anyway, the intention is internet is working. Both the libraries are not there inside your EC2 instance. We need to get from outside. wget command we need to use. Anyway, okay, anyway, ping Google. See, I'm getting response. So internet is working, right? Just skip here. Clear now? Okay. If I need to install any process, M install HTTPD something. Guys, don't confuse what is HTTPD. Super user, right? I'm in the EC2 user, right? Sudo. So internet is working. I'm able to install some HTTPD web server related stuff. Clear now? So internet is coming now because of NAT gateway. Let's try same thing now. I can disturb here. I can remove NAT gateway block here in the your route table. So again, if you run same command again, maybe some cache. Okay, already installed. That's what you are getting, right? Okay. Some tree command. No, it is not download. 0B. Is it clear now? Okay. 0B, right? Now you can go, keep the same command, edit routes, attaching 00. Again, I'm going to give it NAT gateway. Save changes. See here. Downloaded. Okay. Clear? And we can do the changes here also. Edit subnet association. We can remove this connection here also. Save association. You can go here and give same other command any. M install Docker. Okay, sudo, right? Sudo m install, otherwise maven. Why? 0B. Clear? So again, we can provide here the subnet association, edit subnet association, provide your private subnet like here. You can see it will downloading. Clear? So you have to check here the architecture first, still downloading. Okay. This is very important block. You need to understand it. So without draw this architecture, please don't practice. May you confuse first of all, which is the private, which is the public, why not, something may you confuse. Okay. Is it clear everyone guys? Okay, that's all. What clarification you need? Naeem? See, this is okay. Your intention is I'm fast, right? So this is already done topic. Okay. Definitely, if I'm repeating means definitely little fast. You can expect. I'm not expect. You see, if you miss yesterday class, if you join means I cannot repeat again from the scratch like spoon feeding. Don't expect that. Okay. Maybe definitely, if you ask me to repeat the session, definitely I will be fast to repeat the sessions. If I spend same time one day means it is wasting of one day, right or not? Yeah. So without draw the architecture, don't practice. This concept I'm keep on saying for the last 3 days. Okay. If you're not doing practice, I can't say anything else. Okay. Is it clear guys? Online team. So we need to understand first, write the steps somewhere. Otherwise, very difficult. Without architecture is very, very difficult. Okay. Okay. And one more thing is, it's my request to everyone. If you miss the class, na, sir, yesterday I missed a class. If you repeat or can we connect once? I have a small doubt for 10 minutes. This is good. And just I'm saying, I'm not, saying for everyone. If you miss yesterday class, if you are not saying I miss yesterday class, I'm not understanding today class means first I need to check myself. Why you are not understanding, right or not? But few students are say that, yes, sir, yesterday I missed the class. I'm getting so many requests in the Telegram. I have already connected with them to rectify the doubts. In your case also, yes, definitely. If you miss the class due to some health emergency, something, at least I can help you in some other ways, not in the enter class, right? One person, if you ask to, sir, yesterday 2 classes miss, can you repeat? It's very difficult for, right? Other people to wait. So we have some platforms. You can connect with me, or you can connect mentors, or you have one more option. That is internal option. Next batch, particular what topics you left, I will inform to team, admin team, allow to my next batch. That is not entire batch. Once again, I'm saying you have to say before, sir, see, I think one lady already informed me some health emergency before. So I informed her team, already she's joined this batch. Okay, you need to inform how many classes you miss before. Okay, so you just inform me so that I will talk to them. That is also possibilities are there. If you ever not taking the recordings, I can help you. Is it fine? Okay, please repeat one more time. Okay, guys, see, here we need to understand. So I'll do one thing. Okay, guys, concentrate here. So, okay, okay, understand here. So inside I have a two subnets are running. One is public, one is private. One EC2 is running public, one EC2 is running in private. Okay. So you may ask one doubt. Anyway, I will reveal that. My application is running in private instance, right? Concentrate here. Private EC2 guys. So already running, right? How can I give access to public? The private EC2 is running Flipkart application. If it is a public, you can give the public IP, right or not? But we should not host any applications in public, in private almost. For example, private application is running private EC2 instance. How I can give access to these guys? So I'll use one device, load balancer. So load balancer topic is pending. Again, don't worry. Okay. So if I give load balancer access to public, they can access private EC2s. Is it clear? Okay. But how developers can log in the private EC2 instance to do update your applications? Application access by public. For example, now Flipkart team. So if you can go Flipkart team, mobiles is not good here. Can you move here or last? So something requirement is coming. What they need to public will do that thing. Public will modify this mobile there to here. No, right? They're just checking the only they can access the application only. So to who can do this? Developers who develop that thing. Now, how they can log in to server? This is private, right? Sir, there is a load balancer, right? Through load balancer, we can log in, sir. Then what is the security here? These guys are accessing load balancer. If you are also logging through load balance, they can also log in, right? So load balance is not a server, it's a service. Again, I'm saying there is no login details to log in to load balancer to enter into the private EC2. Is it clear? So this option is not available. Is it clear now? Now, how to connect private EC2 instance? That's what the doubt here, right? So first of all, you are not inside of your AWS network. You are outside of the network. So here private instance, private IP is there. Private IP when we can use guys? Only internal communication. Let me write here better. Use for internal communications. Okay. But you are not internal, right? You are external now. So it will not work, right? If you try to connect private IP, it will not connect. The requirement is what? Do some changes in your Flipkart application. So developers want to connect first this one to do some changes into Flipkart application, what public is expecting. So we don't have any option to communicate directly private EC2 instance from the outside of your network. If you're inside of the network, definitely the possibilities are there to communicate. Is it clear? Yeah. So for that, to go my request first to private, I'll just choosing a public platform to go inside of my network. So private IP will allow to communicate inside of the network, right? So this is my EC2 instance. Flipkart is running. I need to do modification this private EC2 instance. So my target is this private EC2 instance to communicate and connect. So there is no internet, so I'm unable to connect directly. If you are inside of the network, definitely you can connect. The private IP will communicate if you are on the inside of the network. To go inside of the network, I'm using internet platform. So public EC2 always will connect from the outside, right? From outside, right? How? So here, internet gateway is there. Okay. So from to here, we have created what? Route table, right? Public route table. So from here to here, public route table is communicated. Public route table to public subnet, we have provided a path. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. So that's what public EC2 is working by using internet. But private, we should not route from here, right? Again, this is also public, right? Okay, leave it. So my public EC2 is working by internet. So my developer will communicate public EC2 directly by using internet. Why? Both are internet having, right? My laptop, I'm the developer. I have internet. So I know the credentials of public EC2, PEM file. I know the public IP. I know the protocol. So I have entered into my public EC2. By path is like this. But I'm showing like this only for a better understanding only. You just imagine the ila path ila vastadi. Okay na? So now, yes, we are in public EC2. We are in public EC2. So we are in network, inside of the network. Understand? We are inside of the network means come here. We are here. First EC2 means we are entering to the EC2. Okay. Now, what is private IP? Private IP will allows internal communication. So you are internal now, right? So you can allow to communicate by using SSH client. This is called bastion host process. By you, bastion host is nothing but what? Connect private EC2 by using public EC2 with help of SSH client connection. Is it clear, guys? Okay. So far, everyone is clear? Online team? Okay, your question just park a set, please. First, clear or not? This process clear or not? Till here. Okay. Okay. So we are able to connect private EC2 by using SSH client connection. So your request is now public EC2. So in this case, you are inside of the network. That's what you are able to connect private EC2. Private IP is nothing, but it will allow internal communications, not external communications. If it is external communication, no need to use public EC2. Directly you can go and communicate. But why public EC2? To come your request from external to internal, right or not? This is internal, this is external. So to connect from here to here, to reach from here to here, you are using internet. Yes, you are enter into the network. You are enter the VPC network. Now you can communicate any instances by passing SSH client. The reason you are in same VPC. Is it clear now? In this case, I'm not in VPC, right? In this case, I'm outside of the VPC. That's what I'm unable to communicate my private IP. Okay. I'm outside of the VPC. This is not possible. Okay. Private connection not possible. Is it clear, guys? Now, to provide private connection, we are using internet to go inside of the network first. Now we are in the network, right? We are in the network. Okay, anyway, let me draw little bomma. Okay, he is developer. Okay, I'm inside of the network. So I can connect now. Clear na? This is developer. Please don't ask, huh? Is this NAT gateway? No. This is developer. Okay, let me remove yash. Better. May you confuse. If someone may ask architecture again, you also draw same thing. Okay. So in this case, is NAT gateway required, guys? No, right? NAT gateway will require for this instance, any internet requirement will come to install anything. So I have already tried same thing. I'm unable to install. I'm unable to download. That's what I'm created a NAT gateway in public. But don't ask, sir, why NAT gateway in public again? Huh? NAT gateway to route table. You have to create a route table. Now you can route the NAT gateway internet from here to here. Is it clear? That's what we did now just. Now we are getting internet. That's it. Is it clear? The architecture? This is route table. I can easily know, guys, today's 80, yesterday's 70. Okay. The 10 members yesterday absent. Now they can ask the questions. I can easily understand as a trainer, right? Please don't skip the classes. It's very difficult wasting of the time for everyone. Okay, dedicatedly, attend the classes 3 months. I will take care of your career. Okay, I will take care of your career. Whoever clear the interviews in my batch, those are attend regular classes, not for 1, 2, 3 skips. Regular classes, non-ITs, crack the 13 lakhs, 18 lakhs packages with the career gap of 5 years, 7 years, 8 years. Understand the scenario. This is very difficult time, even though they have cleared the interviews. Okay. So don't skip the classes. If you skip the classes, definitely you ask the question, but I'm not skip your question. Definitely I will repeat again. What happened? It will extend. So March, April is a very important time to get a job. Financially you're starting. So many openings are there. Okay. So it's a request to everyone. Don't skip the class. If you skip the class, ping me your doubt to personal, not here. Like, please repeat, sir. This is very difficult for me. Right or not? Please repeat is very difficult. See, same topic yesterday discussed, same topic day before yesterday discussed, now also discussed. But as a trainer, I'm unable to say no. It's very difficult to me to repeat, but definitely I will repeat. But the things are late. Understand our target is April. Okay, financial year target. This is request to everyone. So don't skip the class. At least take the recording from the admins. Okay. At least any health emergency, inform me 1 day before in the telegram, sir. I'm unable to attend tomorrow class. Is there any plans? What I need to do? I can give some suggestion to you. How to, manage the things for 1 day, 2 day, 2 days. Yeah. Is it clear, everyone? Now I'll check the questions. I skipped so many questions. Yes. If you want to update application, then it's right. I can update my application. I can update my version, code, something. Internet is there, right? Now, one more question, guys. Yes, internet is there. Now, can I access outside people? Can I access this application, a private instance to log in? No, right? No, right? Yes. Yeah. Anyway, this is the process. Let me check the messages. Big messages are there already. Quick question from the Sam. In real time, you are connecting organization using VPN. Now, how can we draw the architecture? Simple, guys. You are using internet, right? Internet, right? In VPN also internet, right? You just consider this is VPN only. That's it only, right? Finally, your VPN connection will go to through internet only, right? VPN is secure connection. That's it only. Clear? Otherwise, we can do one thing. Directly, we can lay one cable. Seriously, that is direct connect. Don't laugh here. There is a concept. Direct cable. We just dig entire road and lay the one cable to your Mumbai from Hyderabad. Then it will work. That is called direct connect option. In VPN, we are on the internet only, but secure internet. No one can access that internet. Okay. If a request is going, see, I can say one thing. VPN is nothing but it's a tunnel, guys. For example, developer, where is that? Okay. Okay. Let me take one. Okay. Let me take one laptop pic here. I will show you here. In VPN also we are going with the bash host only. Why? We are outside of the network. We are not inside of the network, right? You are doing work from home jobs. We are doing whatever, work from beach, work from hotel. I know. This is TCS employee. Okay. He is in Goa. He is in Goa, right? Any TCS employees are there? I will change the company name. Okay. Let's understand what is how VPN will work. I'm just saying that. So your servers are here. Okay. Your request is flying through internet only, right? Now, but our boochies, Udar, boochies, hackers. This is the boochie. This guy is ready to hack this. Okay. Your request. Maybe this is very important information. Net banking details, one company's transaction details. They can may hack and divert the money into his account. He's trying. But VPN will provide, secure tunnel on top of your internet. Is it clear now? Yes, you are using public internet, but the secure tunnel is there in the top of your network. That is VPN, virtual private network inside internet. AWS cloud is there, right? We are provided VPC, right? Public cloud in private cloud. So public internet in private connection is called VPN only. VPN, there is no any special lines, special cables, don't expect, okay? Now you tell me, private EC2 is there. Definitely you should connect first public EC2, right? Here also, in VPN also. Otherwise, servers are on-premises servers, for example. Servers are not in Mumbai. In that case, you can communicate direct VPN, private VPCs, I mean, private IPs. Is it clear? Yeah. So don't think much. We are DevOps engineers, first of all, not network engineers. Maybe. Is it clear, everyone? Yeah. Oh my God. Rupesh, in my organization, we are working on what are the deployment you are doing? Why, guys? Here, EKS. Okay. Question will come now. Let's. See, if you can see, we are deploying EKS only. This is 9 AM batch. Okay. See, here we are already deploying in EKS only. If you can see, EKS deployment container, deployment EKS, kubectl. These all applications we have deployed on EKS only. If you can see, these are all the application stages deployed on EKS. Okay. Okay. Deployed on EKS, all applications. Whatever application it is, this process is common. So which application is not your job? Process is your job. Application will take care of your developer. Developer will communicate you, hey, this is the code, this is the dependencies. You can integrate with this. Yes, that's it. Is it clear, guys? Already there. Will it charge if you allocate Elastic IP? Already I told you, right? Elastic IP is chargeable. Already I deleted yesterday in front of you, right? Developer only, not DevOps guy. Vital, developer only. Application deployment. Application deployment is our job. Application development is my job, not my job, our job. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, I hope I answered all questions. Please, guys, if you're asking like these questions, same applications. Sir, getting this error after configure NAT gateway. What is the error? Okay, Vina, why are you waiting? If you're getting error, you have to inform me, right? In the yesterday, not in the class. Hmm. Quick question, sir. Shyam, in real time we connect. Okay, already done your question. Okay, I hope I have cleared all questions, right? Guys, please, we need to jump to next topic. We don't have much time, only 15 minutes. Is it clear, everyone? Online, any confusion still? Still any confusions? Entire process we are going to develop by using Terraform in the coming classes. If you stuck here, it's very difficult to understand Terraform. Thank you. ELB target groups are there, right? I will show you, don't worry. See, our agenda is public API will not give to public access. So we are giving ELB URL. ELB URL, there is no server, right, to log in. So it's just redirecting your request. Yeah. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. No doubts, right? Okay. So we are done enter custom network. This is the custom network. We are done EC2 instance creation. Our focus is on load balancer and auto scaling. Okay. Before that, I'm going to show you something here. Some networking concepts again. What is CIDR? Anyone? Classless inter domain routing. Guess this concept, if you are able to understand, I'm good. If you are unable to understand, also leave it. Had I have given how to pass the subnet, right? 1 0 1 2 3 4 5, right? Yeah. Very good, Sandeep and Venkat Mahesh. So come to AWS console. I will show you after this class one magic. Guys, magic means don't expect anything. Huh? Abracadabra, it's not like that. Here only. If you can see here, guys, I have given my VPC CIDR is 10.0.0.0 by 16, right? So whatever range IPs you are creating by your EC2 instance, that is private instance, note that point, private instance comes under this range only. If you observe or not, your EC2 instance, 10.0.0 something IP is there, right? That is decided by this CIDR range. Okay, inside private IPs, it is in your control, not public IPs. Anyway, what is 16 here? This is called net mask. So this class may extend to 1040. Please support. So for example, guys, in your custom network, if you are creating multiple subnets, multiple instances, we need to provide IPs. So for example, you are creating a VPC. VPC is your house. VPC is taking care of everything to work inside your EC2s, applications, subnets, route tables, all are hosting by your VPC. Clear? So if you're creating 1,000 instance, 1,000 private IPs will generate, right or not? From where it is generating? From the CIDR block. Okay. For example, your VPC CIDR block is high value, can generate more instances, can generate more IPs. Each device required one IP. If it is a whatever internal routing purpose, route table, subnets, whatever instances. For that, VPC is able to generate IPs. The VPC is a head boss for all the devices, right or not? So in that, if you give a CIDR block, for example, 10.0.0.0 by 16, the meaning of the 16 is this 16 is here net mask value. This is very interesting concept if you are observe, if you are understand. Otherwise, there is a formulas, directly formulas. We can give the CIDR how many IPs we can generate. There is a formulas, but we need to understand the concept first. Then we can depend on the formulas. Here 16 is net mask value. Here 16 is net mask value. So here 16 will decide how many IPs can generate. So net mask value decide how many IPs can generate. Is it clear? What I need to repeat? Sharma, is it custom network? Can you please, what is your doubt? On the custom, okay, CIDR. So please mention that. Okay, in the CIDR is nothing but classless inter-domain routing. So for example, I will show you here in the architecture. Here you are creating two EC2s, na? Each EC2, one private IP will create, right? And public IP. This EC2 also one private IP, one public IP. Like that, how many instances we can create? AWS is saying unlimited, multiple you can create. Yes, you can control also. For example, your VPC is able to generate only 10 IPs. Let's assume only 10 IPs. You are able to create only five instances or 4 instances. 10 IPs means first instance will consume one instance. The required dependencies route table may take one IP. Like that, it will share all IPs means you are able to create only 2 instances. If you are trying to create third instance, you will get an error. There is no resource allocation of IPs. IPs already done. Where to use all IPs? Your VP is able to create only 10. You are use all the IPs. You are unable to create one more service, one more EC2. Is it clear? So that we have to give more value of the CIDR. More value means you can create unlimited. Unlimited means 1000 ECTs. Your VPC is able to generate. That's what you can decide in the CADR block. Is it clear now? Your CADR block can decide how many IPs can generate by using VPC. Single statement. Okay, now you can come here. Okay, now you can come here. See, in CADR, net mask value will decide. Yes, CADR will decide. In the CADR, net mask value will decide how many IPs can generate. How to calculate? If you can come here in the VPC, if you're trying to create a VPC, if I give here, they are saying 16 to 28 in between your net mask value. That is size. 16 to 28 only. Why? I'll come to that. Okay, guys. For example, if I give a 16, the meaning of the 16 is 2 power 32 minus 16. The meaning is, I mean, whatever net mask value is there, that should be, okay, that should be, let me take the big size. Okay. Okay, that should be deduct from 32. Equal to how much? 16. If net 32 minus 16 equal to 16. If the net mask value is, for example, 20, what is the value? 32 minus 20 equal to 12. If the net mask value is, for example, 27, so 32 minus 27, how many? 5. If the net mask value is 28, 4. So whatever value is coming, we have to deduct from 32. Okay, we have to subtract from 32. The result we have to mention the 2 power. That is the actual value. So 2 power 16, how much, guys? 65 63,000. Google is there now. Why is seeing my face? 2 power 16 value. 65,536, right? Don't calculate in your mobiles. 65,536 IPs can generate your VPC. Is it clear now? So first VPC can generate 65,536 from the 2 power 16 from the 16 like this. It's clear. For example, if it is a net mask value is 10.0.0.0 by 30, how many IPs can generate? How many IPs can generate? So 32 minus 30 equal to 2, which is equal to 4, 2 power 2. Is it clear now? Sir, why 32? Any questions? Okay. Why 32? The question is there. Okay. The question is there anyway. Why 32, right? Yeah. So 10, 0, 0. How many digits, guys? 4. Each digit we are calling one octet. What is the relation bytes and bits? 1 bit equal to how many bytes? 1 byte equal to how many bits? We know, right? What is that? Each digit we are calling one octet. Is it clear? 8 bit equal to 1 bytes. So each octet equal to 1 byte. Octet, byte, both are same. I'm writing here. Guys, these are max, not DevOps. Octet equal to bytes equal to 8 bits. Is it clear? Oh my God. Is it clear? How many bits are there? 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8. Each octet, 4 octets, 4 into 8. Okay. Is it clear now? Why 32? Our IPv4 range is 32-bit range. Why IPv4 is 32? So 4 digits, each digit is 1 octet, octet equal to 8 bits. Clear? Okay. That's what we are subtracting from 32. Don't think much, please. This is not at all our job. Just for understanding, network concept, understanding concepts. That's it only. Even not used for 1%. But if you are in any organization, definitely this discussion will come. Your VPC CIDR. At that time, if you are explained like this way, definitely they will impress with your knowledge. The time will come. Already came in my company. Your time will come. So at that time, don't open calculators and Google CIDR. If you give CIDR, how many IPs? Yes, I can understand. But in interest, maybe I ask one interview. So if I give 29, how many IPs can generate? You can just subtract from 32. Why 32? We have a 4 digits, IPv4 digits. IPv4 means we are in the IPv4 range, 4 digits. Each digit is 1 byte. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 8 into 4 is 32. 32 minus net mask value. The result is 2 power that IPs will generate. That's it. Is it clear now? Yeah. Yeah, just for knowledge. Who is Teju? Okay. Okay, guys. Is it clear till here? Okay. Now, guys, we have a 32, right? Why AWS is saying use 28 is a minimum? 16 and 28, right? If you can see here. See here. Sir, we have a 32 option. Why 28? The reason is that 28 means how many IPs? 32 minus 28, 4, 2 power 4, 16, right? But they are using internal routing purpose, 6 IPs, 5 IPs. 5 IPs, internal purpose they are using, the generating IPs. They are not allocate you for your instances. So if you take 29, 29 means what? 32 minus 29, 3. 2 power 3, 8. 5 they are taking. What you can do with the 3? That's what their intention. Don't take 29, 30, 31, 32. At least take from 28. At least you will get 16 IPs. At least if I take a 5, you have a 8 or 9, 10. Is it clear now? So in real time, if you are taking 16, no problem. You can take 16. You can create multiple. Why you are taking 28, 27, 26 to the risk? We should not change CIDR once you have fixed. Clear now? So don't take risk. Go highest value. Highest value means lowest net mask. Clear? Highest value means highest IPs means it will come from the lowest net mask value. Why? 2 power 32 minus, right? That's what go with 16. That there is no charge. The charge is on your generation of IPs, depends on your creation of resources. Is it clear, everyone now? Sir, one question here. My VPC, if I'm giving to 10 power 10.0.0.0.16 now, next it will take 24. Next time I'm giving 26, it's not taking, right? Why? I will tell you that. Let's take, guys, please give your 10 minutes time. I will complete this concept. It's very confusing topic, very important topic. Just I'm going to create a one VPC. Okay. Just I'm going to create one VPC. 10.0.0 by 24 means how many IPs? 32 minus 24, 2 power 8. 2 power 8. 256, 512. 2 power 5 is 32, guys. 2 power 6 is 64. 2 power 7 is 128. 2 power 8 is 256. Correct only. Why you are saying that? I have created VPC, right? I'm not created. I'm just creating. I'm just giving CIDR VPC. Just understand it, guys. What I'm trying to say. Definitely may you confuse, but if you are understanding, definitely will get a knowledge. Yes. I'm giving wantedly 24 to test it. Create VPC. My VPC is created, right? 24. How many IPs can generate, guys? Okay, let's take first IP is 10.0.0. Start from 10.0.0 till 255. 256 means we are starting from 0, right? That's what. 10.0.0.1. Like that, how many, guys? I'm not good in Excel, seriously. 250. Is it clear? Okay. Sorry. Is it clear? These many IPs we can lock for your VPC. Is it clear now? Let's go. So inside VPCs, subnets are there, right? You have generated VPC. How many? 256, right? 256. First one is 10.0.0.0. Is it clear now? Last one is 10.0.0 255. Is it clear? So now important concept is whatever subnets you are going to create, those subnet range in the VPC range. Right or not? Subnets are in the VPC, right? Now subnet will allow to create 16. Let's try. So my VPC is able to create 256 IPs. I have given net mask is 24. So let's try my subnet. My VPC is there here, right? This is my CIDR VPC. I have given net mask value is 24. I'm able to generate IPs 256. I'm going to create subnet now. Inside VPC, I'm going to create a subnet. Understand the error here. Which subnet? Which VPC? Definitely we need to say that, right? This VPC, right? I have given 24 is, yeah. So this guy already saying your VPC is already 10.0.0.24, just for your information. So any subnet, CIDR subnet, just maintain all the names, the CIDR for understanding. So 10.0.0.0 by 16. Is it possible? Your VPC is able to generate 256. How your subnet can generate 65? You are inside of VPC, right? You have to follow VPC instructions indirectly. Okay, let's try to create. CIDR address is not within the CIDR from the VPC. So you are, whatever value you are giving, it should be inside of your VPC, in the range, not out the range. Sir, net mask values is 24 na, sir. I'm giving 16 values in the range na. Values in the range. Net mask values in the range, but the result value is not in the range. Understand it, the difference. 65,000 here. So we are in the VPC. You can use the VPC IPs as a subnets. Now tell me, guys, can I give 24? Yes. If I create 256 IPs, one subnet can take all IPs. In that case, one more subnet can I create? Let's try it. Okay. So come to a big architecture. Subnet is created, right? In the VPC. Why same line? All IPs I'm using 255. Created, right? Understand, please. This subnet is created. Let me try one more subnet. Same VPC, right? CIDR 2 subnet. Give any availability, John, no problem. So 10 dot. What value can you give? 24 VPC. I have given 24. Entire range I have taken now. Let's try again one more 24. Is it possible? VPC is see error C. CIDR address overlaps with existing subnet. I mean, you are going to create one more subnet, right? But you just understand, can we assign same IP for other devices? So these all IPs already allocated for this subnet 10.0.0.1.2.3.4 till 255. Again, this subnet also trying to use the same IPs. Is it possible? IPs are unique. So this is overlap issue. Understand? Yeah. Now what I can do, guys, I'll just delete the subnet. I can give different ranges. I can give different ranges instead of use all IPs. Is it clear? Okay. Let's delete 24, right? I'm going to release this one. Again, VPC is clear, right? 256 is there. Now what I can do, instead of using max value 24, I can use minimum values. So in between 32 to 24, we have so many values, right? Maybe 28, we can start from 24 to 28. 28 from the 28 to 30, we can leave. So we have options 25, 26, 27, 28. Is it clear now? Let's start now. Create subnet. Select VPC. Hey VPC, I'm taking few IPs for my subnet. Okay, take it. How many? Just I'm giving here net mask value. How many you can say that now? 20? Okay, 25 is a good number. 128 IPs. Is it clear? What? Oh, sorry, different visa. Thank you. Okay. 28. How many IPs? They are saying already 128, right? Create. So now I'm using only half of the IPs. 10.0.0. What is the value, guys? 25. Create subnet. So come to paint. Now off. Is it clear? 128, right? So what is the first value here? 10.0.0.0 to 10.0.0.0 127. You have used these IPs already. Is it clear? Now you have an option till here. Let me go to Excel also. So this is enter VPC, right? I'm talking about subnet now. What is the value of subnet I have given? 10 dot. 10 dot, let me write here. 10.0.0.0 by 25, right? The result is 128. Okay. I'm just start to pull all IPs 10.0.0.0 till 12 till 127. Okay, okay. Okay, 127. Is it clear, guys? So one subnet already registered these IPs, right? Next. So subnet created. Can I create one more subnet? Yes, I have a left IPs, right? Now I'm not occupied entire IPs for this subnet. Now let's go to create one more subnet. What is the value here? VPC change, huh? Okay, sorry. CIDR. Give subnet to CIDR. Okay. So tell me guys, what I need to give here. Anyone? 25, huh? 25 already given, right? 26, huh? Is it? Is it you are saying? Okay, let's try. Why error is coming? Why error is coming here? Guys, understand the concept here. 26 means 64 IPs. Yes, we know we have a 64 IPs range left. But series, you are selecting 10.0.0.0 series. Means what? Okay, 64 IPs. You try to pull. What is the first value? 10.0.0.0. But the IP already allocated, right? 10.0.0.1. That IP already allocated, right? If you can come here. See, these IPs already allocated, right? How you can allocate again? Range we have, but IPs duplicate will come. If you give 26 means 64 IPs, 64 IPs again start from where? 0 to 1 till 64, right? Is it good? Is it possible? These IPs already registered, right? You are again asking 64 IPs for second subnet. How I can give? Not possible, right? Then how I can overcome this issue? Yes, where I stop, I can start from here. Is it clear now? 10.0.0.128 to 129 to till 64, huh? How many? To 195, huh? Okay. 192, huh? Okay. Is it clear now? So let's try. You need how many IPs? I will try from 128. 127 already registered, right? I will try from 128. How many IPs? 64 till 128 to plus 64. Let's come here. See, already 0 is there, right? 123 I'll try. Already there, right? 123. There are not in the list. Till where? First one, 128 IPs, yes. 124 also there. 128. See, no error. Till 127 you have registered series. Now series will start from 28. Now you can create, right? Next, I'm going to create one more subnet. We have options, right? 256 out of 256, 128 plus 64 done. We have a still. Okay. Guys, we'll complete in 5 minutes, please. Subnet. Subnet CIDR3. What is the value? Tell me now. So net mask value just confirm first. 24 done, 25 done. Now 26, right? Till 28 I can create. 26, what is the result? 32 minus 26. What? 32 minus 26. Huh? 60? 32 minus 28. Okay. I confuse. 24 done, 25 done, 26, huh? Now 27. We can take 27 also, right? 32 minus 27, how much? 2 power 5. 32, which is 32, right? 27. Again, error will come, right? Why? The 32 series 10.0.02, 31, it will be there already registered for subnet 1. Okay, then I will try for 129. This is second subnet will registered. After 120, second subnet is started, right? Till where 64 is registered to 192, right? Now I'm taking 192 here. 192 also there, right? 193. See, creating. Clear? That's what if you are giving 10 dot something value, again overlap issue is coming. Okay, this is the concept, guys. You are on the track. One more thing, just 2 minutes. You are taking 24 value, right? 24 value. If I take 65, I need to drop IPs 10.0202 to 65. Clear? So here, small condition is there. Again, small condition, very important condition. If this condition may be, yeah. Guys, each byte equal to how many bits? 8 bits, right? 8 bit means 8 values, right? Is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah. What is the max value of binary 8 digit? 8 bit max value of binary. 255. All ones. All 8 ones is equal to 255. I mean, what I'm trying to say, what is that 8 bit? If I need a 4 value, what is the binary form of 8 bit? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, right? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 is equal to 4. Yes, max. M1, BTech students. M2 poinda. What is the value of this? 6. What is the value of this? 7. What is the value of this? What? What is the value of this? Like that, all ones means 255. Is it clear now? So, whatever we are generating IPs na, we can generate till 256 only. Sir, here IP's range also 256, your range also 250, no problem. But 65,000 range is there na. If 256 will not come means, I mean, 10 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0, there is no 256 value. Then how can I generate 65,000 now? Is it clear? The series will start 1.0. Next series from the left 10.0.1.1, 10.02, 1.2. See, the left one is common. It will goes to where? Last value is 10.0.255.255. Is it clear? That's what I told you guys. If you select 10.0.0.0.16, take 10.0.1.0.0, 2 series, one, it is not overlap, right? If you take 1 series here, 0 series already VPC is taken. 65,000 is there inside. If you are taking next to 24 series, you just take 10.0.0.0 by 24. It will take first series 10.0.0 to 256. Next, if I give 10.0.0, sorry, 1.0 by 24. This is not first series, right? It is not overlap. You are taking one more 256. If it is a next series, here 255, right? 255 IPs. Here 255 IPs, first subnet. Second subnet, 10.0.2.0 by 24. Like that, you can increase the series, right? It is not overlap, right? This is first 255, it will take from here. First subnet. Clear? Second subnet. Second subnet. It will take from here. First 255. Third subnet will take from here. 4 subnet will take from here. See, there is no overlap, right? Clear or not? You are taking 255, 255 each subnet, but we have 65,000 range. VPC 16. In the 65,000, we are taking 255, 255, 255 IPs, but range also different. 1 series, 2 series, 3 series. Is it clear? So, guys, don't miss. Last 1 minute is very important. Okay. Okay. First, for example, this is 256, right? This is 256. You are taking 10.00 to 128. Can I take like this one also? Can take it, right? But how many IPs, whatever value are given, it will take. There is no overlap here to here, right? If you are taking, for example, 64, you can take it. There is no overlap. If you are taking 32, 2.0, 32, you can take it. So to avoid the confusions, simply, sir, I'm not understanding what you are saying. That's why you can use 10.0.0 by 16. Highest range you can take for VPCs. Coming to the subnets, now you know, right? We should not take 10.0.0.16 for subnet. It is only for one subnet. Second subnet will not create. So you can take 0 series 24. So here 65,000, right? Here 256. Now next subnet, I need 256 IPs, sir. Okay, take 24 only, but not the range is like this. 1. It will not repeat this 256, sir. The range is different. Next subnet, sir, 10.0.2.0 by 24. This value can keep same, no problem. This value is to say how many IPs. You need 256 IPs, but range should be different. Avoid the overlap. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone? This is the concept, very tricky concept to understand. But you are the great students. That's what you are understood. Very good, Mohammed. Guys, one request to everyone. Please leave CADR topic for today only. Don't extend tomorrow, okay? If you're not understand, I will show the magic now. You're asking that magic, right? Sir, today only I have attended the class. I missed last 7 classes, sir. No problem. We have one more Ayudham. Okay? That weapon is called VPC and more. Okay? See guys, magic. No need to create public subnet, private subnet manual process. Here you can declare how many subnets public required, how many private required. It will create automatically. See, VPC and more. That generate project name you can give. My VPC. So each name will start for my VPC, my VPC, my VPC. My VPC subnet, my VPC, VPC, my VPC route table. So keep as is 16. More IPs better. So come here. How many availability zones you need? 1 or 2 or 3. We are doing free tier. Means OC. Select 1. Don't select 2, 3s. Huh? Number of publics. 1. If you select 2 means 2 availability zone, automatically public subnets 2 created different availability zones. High availability. 1 in 1, 1 in 1. You are select only 1 availability zones. We have only scope to select only one subnet. The system is saying that. Don't create same availability zones, multiple subnets. Why? Number of private subnets, you can give 1. So 2 subnets you are creating, public 1, private 1, 1 VPC. NAT gateway required, select it. NAT gateway is going to select for your public subnet, attach automatically. Leave it for VPC endpoint. NAT gateway also leave it. I'm not going to pay anything now. Okay. See guys, where is route table? Where is internet gateway? The system will generate everything. See. How is the magic, guys? Done. Your public subnet, private subnet, route table, internet gateway, everything done. But we know, right, how it will work the backend. That's what we spent 3 days time. So I can show this process directly. Oh my God, if I show this process, where is the route table, sir? Where is the internet gateway? many questions will come. That's what I have explained. First manual, then auto, then one more auto is there. Terraform auto. I park somewhere. It is ready to encounter you guys. Okay. So without knowledge cloud, it's very difficult to understand Terraform. That's what I spend more time to explain the steps in manual process. Is it clear, everyone now? Okay. Online team. Abracadabra. Nitesh. So now you directly go the subnet. See, I will show you subnet, created subnet. The created subnet, the name is my VPC. I have given my VPC name, right? My VPC private subnet, my VPC public subnet. Now you can launch your instance directly this instance, this subnet. Sir, is there any process to launch EC2 also instead of 7 steps? Yes, there. I will show you later. First, you do practice manual, right? This is the process. So better delete all these things after done your job. Very nice smile. What happened to you? No class tomorrow. Don't worry. Sir, please try to close it. Yes, I know today is little lengthy topic. From tomorrow, 10:30. Okay. Guys, what we can do tomorrow? Can we take or not? Time required for tomorrow to do practice? All networks? Okay. So you will get a big list what you need to do for tomorrow. Yes, take. Please give exercise to do. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Big list means exercise only. Okay. Everything morning you need to do with the yoga with my list. No, we'll have to practice. But next week onwards, maybe Saturday also class will be there. Depends on the content. We are done today. Tomorrow is supposed to start CIDR, but you are done, right? Okay. Take the time for today. Sorry, tomorrow. So Monday, if max range allow 256 in with a different series like no, we have a 256 option is right. You can go with that option. If 256 will go beyond the level, we can use the series. But your understanding will I'll just explain, right? Till 256, 0 series is there, right? 256 beyond 257 is not there. Again, series will start from the 0, but series will start from 1 series. Next 2 series, next 3 series, like 255 series. You know the last series? 255, 255, 255, 255. The result is 65,000 IPs. Is it clear now? The last series. Yeah, very good. He is the good guy. Muhammad. Okay. Is it clear? Yeah. If you can see any IP 256, please comment the session. Okay. Yeah. I don't think so. No 256 is range is there. Okay, guys. It's been already late. Thank you so much. So Monday we can start load balance and auto scaling. Okay. And after that, we will jump onto the Linux. No class tomorrow. Guys, one thing, one request to online team especially. Before asking any question in the group, please check already answers are there in the group. Somebody already asked the same question. I have already given the answer. Again, you are asking the same question. First, instead of asking any question, please kindly go through the chart history. If there is no answer related to your question, then you can ask. Again, same questions are coming. Excel sheet also required now. Okay, I will share Excel sheet also. I will make it some color coding on that. I will share better understanding. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. See you. Bye. Happy weekend to all.